Retroid has recently given gamers a glimpse of their upcoming product, with the release of a teaser for the Retroid Pocket 2's Gunmetal Edition. This new addition to their product line retains the exceptional specs of the standard model, but comes with a sleek metal housing, adding a touch of sophistication to the gaming experience. The Retroid Pocket 2's, the standard version of this compact gaming handheld, was initially introduced to the gaming world in July of this year. It was available in 6 distinct color options to cater to a variety of preferences. The appearance of the Pocket 2's is notably inspired by classic Nintendo models, invoking nostalgia for many gamers. Up until now, various resellers had offered custom shells for the Retroid Pocket 2's, allowing users to personalize the appearance of their device. With the upcoming Retroid Pocket 2's Metal Edition, it's expected that this gaming device will be available in a gunmetal gray colorway. The introduction of the metal build is the primary enhancement in this edition, aimed at providing a more premium and robust feel to the device, enhancing the overall gaming experience. This edition aligns with the company's commitment to continuously improve their products and cater to the diverse tastes of their customers. The Retroid Pocket 2's has already gained a reputation for delivering a stellar retro gaming experience in a compact and portable form factor. It offers a wide range of emulated games, providing players with access to their favorite titles from the past. With the Metal Edition on the horizon, there is speculation that it might follow a trajectory similar to the Retroid Pocket 3 Plus Meta Edition, which garnered significant attention and acclaim for its build quality and performance. While official pricing details are yet to be confirmed, industry insiders are speculating that the Retroid Pocket 2's Metal Edition may be priced at around $129 for the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage configuration. Additionally, there's anticipation that a higher-tier model, featuring 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, could be available at approximately $149. These price points make it a compelling option for gamers who want a rich retro gaming experience without breaking the bank. To date, there's no concrete information available regarding the specific distinctions, if any, between the standard Retroid Pocket 2's and the official Metal Edition. The official announcement and release of the Retroid Pocket 2's Metal Edition will likely shed light on this matter. It is only then that gamers and tech enthusiasts will have a comprehensive understanding of what sets the Metal Edition apart from the third-party custom shells. As for the official release date of the Retroid Pocket 2's Metal Edition, the gaming community is left in anticipation. There's a sense of excitement among those who are eager to experience the blend of classic appearance and modern hardware that this edition promises. The official launch date remains shrouded in mystery, leaving fans to speculate and eagerly await the opportunity to get their hands on this exciting new addition to the Retroid Pocket family. As of now, the release date for the Retroid Pocket 2's Metal Edition has not been officially announced. Gamers and fans of the Retroid brand eagerly await more details about this exciting addition to the Retroid Pocket family. With its blend of nostalgic appearance and modern performance, the Metal Edition is expected to continue the company's tradition of offering high-quality gaming devices to its dedicated user base. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.